Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Stereo Mix. Stereo Mix is a powerful tool that allows you to record all the sounds coming from your computer, essentially capturing exactly what you hear. This includes audio from web browsers, media players, and even system sounds. It functions as a virtual input device, mixing all audio channels into one stream. This can be incredibly useful for various recording tasks, offering a direct digital capture of your system's output. To enable Stereo Mix, begin by right-clicking the speaker icon in your system tray. Select Sound Settings, then scroll down to find More Sound Settings to open the classic sound control panel. Once there, click on the Recording tab. If you don't see Stereo Mix, right-click in the empty space and ensure Show Disabled Devices and Show Disconnected Devices are both checked. Then, right-click on Stereo Mix or What You Hear and select Enable. After enabling, it's important to configure Stereo Mix properly. Right-click on Stereo Mix in the Recording tab and choose Set as Default Device. Next, open its properties and go to the Levels tab to adjust the recording volume, typically setting it to 100%. Crucially, navigate to the Listen tab and make sure Listen to this device is unchecked to prevent audio feedback. If Stereo Mix remains unavailable, consider updating your sound card drivers through Device Manager. With Stereo Mix enabled and configured, you are ready to record. Open your favorite audio recording application, such as Audacity or OBS Studio. Within the software's audio input settings, select Stereo Mix as your recording device. Now, any sound playing through your computer speakers will be captured directly. If your system does not support Stereo Mix, alternative third-party virtual audio cable software can provide similar functionality for your recording needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.